Today I'm going to show you how to record multiple streams into OBS and then have it show up in DaVinci Resolve as 3 different audio streams. First thing you need to do is to load the apps that you want to record into OBS. So we're going to load up Reaper. Then we're going to also load up Chrome. Once you have loaded those applications, we're going to go back to OBS. And we're going to set up the audio streams by clicking plus, application audio capture. We're going to name this Reaper. And we're also going to select that down the bottom. Make sure it's on Reaper. And then we'll select one for Chrome. Select that bottom one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on these advanced audio properties. We're going to select that the Rode mic will be channel 1, Reaper will be number 2, and Chrome will be number 3. And then just select the other channels. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So the 3 separate channels on there. Next thing you need to do is go to settings, go to output, recording, make sure it's recording 3 channels on there. Once that's done, we can go to Reaper and you'll see the channel will be lighting up here when I play a track. Also, when I do it with Chrome, it'll play on another track on here also.
I want you to start thinking of this concept.
So you can see the channel come in separately on there.
See, before we had all
Once that's done, we can also have it show up in DaVinci Resolve. So I'm going to stop this recording. So what I've done now is I've dragged that file into DaVinci Resolve so we can see the 3 different audio tracks. So the first track is me talking through the microphone. I do it with Chrome. The second track is Reaper track. The third audio track is the YouTube channel.
Before we had all these computers and all this digital stuff.
And that's how you do it.